Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The power is complemented by the capability for a performance character befitting of this luxury leader. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: twin-turbo V6 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, remote engine start, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,